Siyambonga uNkulunkulu bazalwane once again for ukuhlangana. Bakhona bebekhona ekseni. Akathi kanje bebekhona ekseni. Nibusisekile bazalwane ekseni. Ngifuna ukuthi nje to your spirit man, open up once again because there is more. God is going to pour more even tonight. Hallelujah. I greet Apostle Shonga, my husband. Hallelujah. Amen. Yangizama lenciko bazalwane. Yangizama lenciko. Hallelujah. Bingelele again, chairperson come forth. Bingelele ubaba ukubheka noma ukubheka egameni lika Kristu Jesu. Chairperson bengekho ekseni, but uyovuma amen kakhulu kwabe bekhona. Amazi. Hallelujah. Bingelele umfundisi uzwane noma umzwane egama la Kristu Jesu. Bingelele umfundisi umgazi omdala, umgazi omncane, umfundisi umkhwanazi. Bingelele umfundisi ushezi noma mshezi. All the way from Durban bazalwane. Umfundisi umpela noma mukubheka kuthi bashayela izandla bazalwane. Hallelujah. Wow. Siyabonga kakhulu. It's such an honor that people can drive 4 hours for comfort. Comfort umncinyane. Hallelujah. Siyabonga kakhulu egameni lika Kristu Jesu. Ngisanibingelela nje, ngisanamukela. Asenzile utho ke comfort ngaphandle kwezwi bazalwane. Kunezwi lilapha ku Acts chapter 10 verse 1 ufundeka kanje. There was a certain man in Caesarea called Cornelius, a centurion that was called okay, let me start afresh. There was a certain man in Caesarea called Cornelius, a centurion of what was called Italian regiment, a devout man and one who feared God with all his household, who gave alms generously to the people and prayed to God always. If you can underline that part, this man prayed to God always. About the 9th hour of the day, he saw clearly in a vision an angel of God coming in and saying to him, Cornelius. And when he observed him, he was afraid and said, What is it, Lord? So he said to him, Your prayers and your alms have come up for a memorial before God. This is what I want us to bear in mind as iService Kubeka. This was a man, just a man. We city yase Caesarea. Hallelujah. Little Bible, this man was praying always and giving to God. Little Bible, ansethe engalindele kwafika ingelosi yam address ingelosi mayim addressa one him addressa as an individual. Yaphinda yam addressa ngegama. Hallelujah. You are not just anybody. When you pray, it's not like kuyathandazwa eGlencoe, kuyathandazwa eSithembile Hall, but the realms of God know that this man and this man and this man by this name is praying. Hallelujah. This man was praying until he invoked the heavens, until he invoked the realms of the spirit. Hallelujah. There are activities, just normal activities, but these activities has got power in them to invoke the realm of God. Hallelujah. Kunama ordinary activities, the activities that are just earthly activities, but in the true essence they are not earthly. These activities has got power to invoke the realms of God. Hallelujah. As we are here tonight, we are going to invoke heavens. We are going to invoke the realms of Shamayim. We are going to invoke the influence of God. Hallelujah. If you are praying, you are not just praying. You are not just praying. Ngisho ngathi umthandazo ka 5 minutes. Ngisho ngathi umthandazo ka 15 minutes. Awuhambi ngokuthi isikhathi esingakanani. But umthandazo unamandla okunyakazisa uNkulunkulu. Ehlezi isithando somkhomba. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Kunama activities indumiso yethu inamandla. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Indumiso yethu inamandla okuhlisa izulu lihlale phakathi kwabantu bese lingahlali kuphela likhuluma. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Umthandazo wethu. Hallelujah. Unamandla ukuthi uNkulunkulu akhulume. Laphana ku Psalms chapter 63. I welcome you bazalwane. Feel at home. Comfort ikhaya lenu. Aphandle kweni comfort ayikho. Hallelujah. You are comfort. Hallelujah. Oh God, thou art my God. Early I will seek thee. My soul thirsts for thee. My flesh longeth for thee. In a dry and thirsty land where there is no water. Verse 2. To see thy power and thy glory so as I have seen in the sanctuary. This is David writing this psalm. When he was writing this psalm, he was in the wilderness of Judah. Hallelujah. Judah bazalwane uzokhumbula ukuthi Judah means praise. eJudea igama lithi Judah lisho indumiso la kuhlala khona indumiso kaNkulunkulu. But once upon a time David was, although he was David of Judah, but he will find himself in the wilderness. Uthi umoya wami uyakulangazelela. My soul thirsts for thee in the dry and thirsty land where there is no water. For what? To see thy power and thy glory, just as I have seen in the sanctuary. David uthe esendlini kaNkulunkulu wabona uNkulunkulu emuva in glory, wabona uNkulunkulu emuva in power. What I'm seeing in the presence of God, I want to see it outside. Hallelujah. Kunento eyenzakala in the sanctuary. Oh, shalahada kasata. Kunento eyenzakala in the sanctuary. In the sanctuary, God is moving in power. But I see dry and thirsty land. God is moving in glory. I see dry and thirsty land. My soul longs for thee in my place of work, in the marketplace. My soul longs for thee. I want to see the influence. I want to see you, God, moving in power, just as you are moving in change. Siphelile isikhathi soNkulunkulu wasecaweni. Siphelile isikhathi soNkulunkulu ohlala ezindongeni. Uthenjani indlu eniyangakhela yona. Because I'm God who cannot be limited by four walls. I am God who want to move even in your workplace. I am God who want to move in all that you touch. I welcome you as alone. uNkulunkulu omtholela kwi-comfort hambi yomanifesta ngaphandle. uNkulunkulu that you have encountered here, go and represent